It's my pleasure to introduce the charming Charmy of our chapter. She's not just a baker but also is a creator of joy. Her passion for crafting 100% vegetarian desserts has made her a go-to name for indulgence without compromise. Her desserts don't just satisfy cravings, they create experiences, whether for birthdays, corporate events, healthy treats for everyday indulgence. Charmy's work speaks for itself, and the hundreds of testimonials she has received so far. With a deep commitment to excellence, she has always focused on taste, quality, and innovation. Today, she's here to share her journey and insights. Please join me in welcoming the creative force behind it all, Charmy from Wow Bakers.
Thank you so much, Malika ma'am, for this beautiful introduction. So, these are the few wow moments in my BNI journey. I am 4+ years members in BNI, and I am a holder of 67+ testimonies on BNI Connect. I am the receiver of 1,000+ referrals in my journey. We are committed to the excellence, may it be the quality or whatever customization or quantity, whatever is been told to us, and whatever is the requirement of client. We are into 100% eggless baking. 100% eggless means there is no gelatin also in my bakes. These are my gifts. We can connect to the dentist, the bankers of Axis, SBI, HSBC Bank, Anos International Beauty School, nutritionist, lactation consultant, pathologist, ophthalmologist, AI consulting firm, and Shulko Luxury Doors and Windows at Germany. So what we bake. Today I have 3 LCDs. First is cakes. Apart from the celebration cakes, which can be customized as per the requirement, we do the brand logo cakes. We customize the brand logo of the specific corporate and the flavors and quantity whatever is required, and we make sure that it is delivered safely from our van. The other thing that we do is employees' birthday celebrations. That is as a part of employee engagement activity. We take the list of the employees of the companies which is pre-shared with us, and a specific B2B pricing is given to them with the specific flavors, and we take care of it end to end, whether that employee is present on the specific day, and including transportation also, everything is taken care of. The second LCD is desserts. So we have 30+ varieties of desserts from around the world, including our signature Wow Tiramisu, Madeleines, and Lamingtons, just to name a few. The third LCD is healthy bakes. Under that we have 2 verticals, that is protein bars and granola. So under protein bars, which is newly introduced in our bakery, I'm getting overwhelming response, maybe from the nutritionist or just as for the kids, for the teenagers, or just for a healthy snacking option. So it has a perfect amalgamation of the nut butter, seeds, and the proteins in it, which can be a super healthy options as a during the snack time or just to satisfy your cravings. The another one is granola. So granola is again the perfect combination of the berries, seeds, rolled oats, and there is no addition of any kind of direct sugar in it. We use honey in it, and again it's a guilt-free option for the snacking. So where do I need help of amazing diamonds to get me the best connections? The first is brownies. So brownies is something for which I am known for. There must be very few people sitting in this room who might not have tasted my brownies. So everyone goes to the cafe. Everyone goes to the cafe where they love their coffees. But for them, I want to supply the perfect thing that goes with that favorite coffee, that is brownies. So the best connection for me will be those cafes where you love your coffees. The second one is jar desserts. So we have jar desserts in various flavor options and sizes. You can connect me for the birthday parties, may it be a big or small. The family gatherings can be big or of any sizes, and the luxury stores where people sit for a longer time can it be the jewelry stores. So the third thing is for granola and protein bars, it can be healthy cafes, resorts and subscription models for the granola bars and granola mixtures are also there. Fitness studios, corporate wellness and nutritional experts. So these are our corporate clients. We can connect you to anything you wish for, that is Medfile or My Home Group, Renesas, FinSimon, Hangama, the newly added is Doc Yantra Private Limited. So why choose Wow Bakes? I have many, like I have served almost everyone in this room, but I want to ask 3 of the clients from this room. That is, first is Sheetal sir. So he has been the biggest supporter for me for the corporate clients. I want to ask him why you choose Wow Bakes apart from me being in the same chapter as you. Not that reason, but I want to understand why exactly.
Well, it has become a stress-free activity for me when I look for ordering my cakes and other stuff for all the corporates. So just a call away and that section is taken care. I need not worry about and send my people to pick up and take care of the deliveries. So it's one point of contact.
Thank you so much. Now I'd like to ask Nayan sir, I've been their regular and they have given me the employee birthday list, and yeah, please help me understand, and the room also, and what makes you to select Wow.
Yeah, I've taken this for 2-3 reasons, like for remembering the birthdays. Of course, if I give you the list, I don't have to remember and take it. And employees are waiting for the cakes because they are very healthy also and very tasty also. And one more thing, they are present on birthday also. So I really appreciate the Wow Bakes. They are really very nice, and my employees also do enjoy it. Thank you.
Now I want to ask Nilambar sir why he is choosing from like almost 4 years been journey in BNI, and I've been a family baker for him. So I want to ask him what makes you choose us in every occasion.
Yeah, most importantly, I come from a very high conservative middle class family. 100% vegetarian cakes are the most important I try to. And the service is very highly appreciated. She delivers on time with short duration. Fresh, very juicy, soft cakes. And she customizes to every occasion, right from birthday to Sashmuti and 60th birthday, 80th birthday. And that's a main attraction. And she has become a household name. All my cousins, even extended family across Hyderabad, she even delivered birthday cake to one of my cousins in Nepal. Thank you. Last 4 years we're not going anywhere. We only trust channel.
Thank you so much. Thank you to the chapter for always trusting me and my bakes. I really appreciate it and expect the same support to. Thank you so much.